You know how some companies just seem to appear out of nowhere, especially in the tech world? You're scrolling through a website, making a purchase, and you see a name you don't recognize processing the payment. One of those names you might see is Lemonway. They're a significant player in the financial technology, or fintech, space, and their journey started a while ago. It all began in 2007. That's the year Lemonway was founded. This was a time when the digital landscape was still evolving, and the need for secure, reliable, and compliant payment solutions was growing rapidly. The founders, Sebastian Berlet and Antoine Orsini, saw an opportunity to create a company that specialized in handling payments for a specific and emerging market, marketplaces, and crowdfunding platforms. Back in 2007, things were very different. The first iPhone had just been released, and the idea of mobile-first payments was still in its infancy. The vision for Lemonway was to build a robust system that could manage complex payment flows, including things like multiple parties in a single transaction, all while adhering to strict financial regulations. The company's story since then is a testament to its original vision. From its founding in 2007, it has grown from a small startup into a major European payment institution. It's a great example of a company that identified a niche need early on and built a business around providing a specialized solution. So, when you see the name Lemonway, you are looking at a company with a history that stretches back to the early days of modern digital finance.